Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is Global Family, a global bridge for global village. We are all children of Adam and Eve, and we all are cousin brothers and cousin sisters. Think of what Adam and Eve and how would they like to see their great grandchildren living in extreme poverty and famine, or heavenly earth without any discrimination. And then present, share your ideas. True friends are not those who come to eat and run away during the bad time. Rather, true friends are those who sincerely help you and accompany you and doing good deeds with and for your eternal infinite future life as well. You will certainly find the nearest in love, friendship to those who believe, those who say we are Christian. This is because there are priests and monks among them, and because they do not behave proudly. Reference Al Quran, chapter 5, verse 82. The world has enough negativity, and it is time to tell the truth to the world, to unite as a global family and pray for each other. Oh, people, be careful of your duty to your Lord, who created you from a single being and created its mate of the same kind, and spread from these to many men and women. And be careful of your duty to Allah, by whom you demand one of another your rights and to the ties of relationships. Surely Allah ever watches you. Reference Al Quran, chapter 4, verse 1. Allah sent prophets and messengers as his love to humanity, love to mankind, for all over the world. All people are single nation. So Allah raised prophets as bearers of good news and as a warner. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 213. And every nation had a messenger. Reference Al Quran, chapter 10, verse 47. And we have not sent you, O Muhammad, but as a mercy to the mankind, to the whole world. Reference Al Quran, chapter 21, verse 107. We should build a bridge between different beliefs. There is no compulsion in religion, faith. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 256. Allah told us to come to the common point first. That's reference Al Quran, chapter 3, verse 64. Key to the world unity would be in sharing foods and joining in marital relations. This day, all the good halal foods are lawful unto you, and the food of the people of the book is lawful unto you, and your food is lawful unto them, and lawful unto you in marriage are the chaste women from the believers and the chaste women among the people of the book, including Jewish and Christian believer women. When you have given them their dowries, meher, take them in marriage, not fornicating, nor taking them for paramours in secret. And whoever denies faith, his work indeed is of no account, and in the hereafter he shall be one of the losers. Chapter Al Quran, chapter 5, verse 5. In the above verse, Allah clearly allowed Muslim men on marrying women of people of the book, true Jewish and true Christian believer women, who believes on one God, one true God, which means we are all one global family. Hidden secret enemies might take advantages of our differences. What if those hidden secret enemies who have found differences among us and exploited us and now watching or shows of being wiped out. But if after wiping out, Muslims, Christian will turn towards uh, others, and who knows who will be the next. Allah allowed Muslim men on marrying women of people of the book who believe on one God, which means we are one family. Remember, only protected book is the Quran, and all other books, including Hadith, Bible, Bhagavad Gita, Vedas, history, etc., are not protected by Allah and have many contradiction errors, causing many deviations among people. The Quran is the only book on this planet Earth which is being read by many Muslims without understanding. So most of them are not getting true guidance from it. To get the guidance from it, you must learn, understand, read translation if you don't understand Arabic. Thank you.